Today I'm gonna show you Vrksasana One. Vrksa means a tree. Technique. Stand in Tadasana. Bend the right leg at the knee and place the right heel at the root of the left thigh. Press the foot of the left thigh, toes pointing downwards. Balance on the left leg, turn the palms and raise the arms straight over the head. Stay for a few seconds in the pose, breathing deeply, then lower the arms and separate the palms, straighten the right leg and stand again in Tadasana. Repeat the pose, standing on the right leg, placing the left heel at the root of the right thigh. Stay for the same length of time on both sides. Come back to Tadasana and relax. Effect. The pose tones the leg muscles and gives one a sense of balance and poise. Enjoy!